Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to print designs from Canva step by step. Whether you're creating business cards, flyers, posters, invitations, or other printable designs, Canva makes the process simple. Let's get started. First, open Canva in your web browser and sign in to your account. Then open the design you want to print. Next, click the Share button in the top right corner. If your design supports Canva printing, select Print Your Design or Print with Canva. Here, you can review the available printing options. Depending on your design, you may be able to choose the paper size, paper type, finish, and the number of copies you want to print. If you plan to order prints from Canva, you can continue by entering your delivery information and completing the checkout process. If you want to print the design yourself or use a local print shop, go back to the Share menu and choose Download instead. Select PDF print as the file type for the best print quality. Then click Download. Canva will generate a high-quality PDF file and save it to your computer. Once the download is complete, open the PDF file. You can now print it using your home printer or take it to a professional print shop. And that's it. That's how you can print designs from Canva in 2026. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.